welcome back guys, and in this video I will take some interesting point over this topic of Selenium WebDriver. So in the last video we have seen that how do we set up the Maven project, and in our Maven project we are setting up the script for telling the script that which driver should it choose, and then we are creating accordingly the object of that particular class, be it the Chrome driver or Firefox driver or the Edge driver. Okay, so now what we will do that in the real life project or in the real life scenario, we do not have this much of time that we execute our test over the Chrome driver and then execute our test over the Firefox driver. I mean, we do not have so much of time to type it again and again. Okay, we have to, in real life, we have to execute our test over every browser, because a website is designed for every browser, right? Most of the browser should be having that particular website running perfectly over that particular browser. Okay, so we cannot go and edit this line every time and type, okay, I'll comment this, I will uncomment this, and I will then again comment some other line, and then I will uncomment that other line, whatever I was doing in the previous video. Okay, so this is a problem for us. So now we will develop a script so that we can have some help and we do not have to write this again and again. Okay, so let us begin developing that particular script. So I'll begin developing the particular script from here, and I will tell you each and every point line by line. Okay, so first I'm creating global variable that is available to every method, and I'm giving that particular global variable name as browser. Okay, public static string. Okay, so here I have created a browser variable, and the value of that particular browser variable I am here giving as Chrome. Okay, so Chrome I am giving the value for that particular browser. Okay, so this we will do when we will come to know the external configuration and when we will read the data from external file. So when you will go for external con or CSV file. Okay, so when we will use these files or Excel sheet, or I can write here, or okay, so when we will use these files to read the value of the browser from external files, then we will use this kind of things only. So currently we are not using any external file, so I'm just creating a browser variable and giving it a value Chrome. Okay, so after giving it a value Chrome, then I will create variable of WebDriver interface and object of the classes, right? So follow me, write down public static WebDriver driver. Okay, so here I have created a variable of this WebDriver and import this WebDriver from org.openqa.selenium. So I have created this instance of this WebDriver interface, and now I will use this instance to create the object of the class. So I want to tell you one thing, that here the instance of the interface can be created, but the object of the interface cannot be created, right? But the object of the class implementing that particular interface can be created. Okay, and that too via the variable of the interface. The variable or the instance of that particular interface can be created, but object of that interface cannot be created. But the class implementing that particular interface can have the object via this particular variable. Okay, so we will create the variable of parent and parent interface, and then we'll create the object of the classes. Okay, so now let's write the further script. I'm creating the if block now. If now the if browser dot equals Chrome, okay, and then I'm providing the if block, then I'll provide WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup, Control C and then Control V, okay, and then I'll provide Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver, Control C and then Control V, and then else if dot brow browser dot equals let me have a capital F Firefox, then I will provide WebDriver manager dot Firefox driver dot setup, and then the second line creating the object of the Firefox driver class, Control C and then Control V, okay. So now again, else if browser dot equals we will provide edge, and then we will provide these two lines, and now we do not need these lines anymore, and yeah, so now I'm saving the program, and this is the script. Now basically what this script is telling, I will repeat once again, I've created a browser variable that is of string type, okay, data type is string, and then I have given it a value Chrome, okay, and then I have created a public variable of this WebDriver interface, okay, and this variable is used for creating the object of this particular class, okay. All these classes implement this interface, okay, WebDriver. So this variable, the interface variable, can be used to create the object of the implementing class, okay, the class implementing that interface. So now let's save the program and try to run, and everything will go fine right now. And yeah, it opened the Chrome and then it login into the Facebook login page. So this is how we create a script of having no problem in creating various kinds of browsers and invoking various kinds of browsers, okay. So this is a very important lecture and you should pay attention to this. So let's meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.